Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how we can drag video to Premiere Pro without audio. And it's really simple. There are actually two ways how we can do that. The first one is just click here, the drag video only, and it will just drag your video. But the second way, also if you have timeline and everything, you can go right click in your project. And first, before that, you need to unclick the A1, because if I'm going to have an A1 right now and I'm going to transfer my audio, it's going to be here. But if I'm going to unclick the A1, I'm going to delete this and transfer, you will see that I'm transferring only video in Adobe Premiere onto my timeline. So this is how we actually can make it, and it's really pretty simple. I hope I helped you. If I did, you know what you can do. You can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And that's kind of it. I don't know what else I could tell you. Yeah, I'm going to have a lasagna for my lunch, and I'm so damn excited. I hope if you're watching this before lunch, I hope you are going to have amazing lunch too. And breakfast and evening, whatever. Thank you all everybody, and goodbye.